entry point.
Check.
There you go. I have riders from 2.5 to on up, and they have various disabilities, usually something like Down syndrome, autism, and we don't look at that specifically, we look at who they are, and they all learn how to be with the horses and what to do. This is Sophia. She's been riding for 1.5 years. He smelled you first, there you go. Yeah, and then you pet him on the neck or shoulder. So we have 3 horses, and they all have their own personalities, and we bring the horses' personalities and horseness together with people and their personalities, and we learn how to ride and how to groom and how to have fun, how to communicate and play. There it is, red brush. Let's brush Prince's shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brush his tummy. I started off as a volunteer for another program, and I was without horses for just a couple years, and I thought, well, that's a way to get back to some horses and help some kids to get involved with a therapeutic riding program. And then Prince came into my life, one of the other horses, and he has been one of my partners in this endeavor, along with Fire and now Kaleo. Each horse has their own gifts that they give to the program and to their riders. So he's impatient and playful, and so he's very challenging in that way. He has great movement in his back when he walks, a big swinging walk, so it's very stimulating to riders. Reach way up high and get his mane. It's blowing in the wind. That's the way, good reaching.
I think it's nice for her from a confidence building standpoint because, you know, she's been having some difficulty learning how to speak so that people understand her. So that while she's very smart, she is also very sensitive and aware of the fact that people don't necessarily always respond to her like they do to her brother.
This is one of my riders, Cameron. She rides Fire. So she's getting the lead rope on first, and she's gonna put it on her shoulder so it's not on the ground, and she has 2 hands to use. Taking the cross ties off. That's it, up into his mouth, between his teeth. Say, open up, Fire. Open up, Fire. There you go, and lift up. High behind his ear. This is Fire. He's very patient and very calm, and he just is turning 30 years old this month, which is pretty old for a horse. And he was a gift free to the Magic Horse. He needed a new home, and he has just been wonderful. That's it.